Memories. Memories play an important role in human beings' life. Some memories are unforgettable. Memories mean a lot to every human beings and they are very close to their heart. Hello everyone, this is your Amit sir and I welcome you all in English class. Today I am going to start a very beautiful poem of the book Hornbill, and the title of the poem is A Photograph. Students, this poem is a kind of memory of someone who is recalling the younghood days and the childhood days of her mother. This poem is written by Shelley Tolson. The full name of Shelley Tolson is Kathleen Shelley Tolson, and she is an English writer, poet, journalist, and a local politician also. Tolson was very famous for the um, her activities, and she had presented some very beautiful poems, including this poem also. This lady had born in 20th May 1924 on the besides of river Thames in England, and she died in 23rd September 2018. Some of her works which are very famous are Shadows in an Orchid, Circumventions, Not Such a Bad Thing After All, The Fault, Dear Brutus, A Zodiac of Sonnets. These are some famous works of Shelley Tolson. This poem is the poem A Photograph is written by Shelley Tolson. In this poem, she recalls her mother and her memories while looking at a childhood photograph of her mother. As you can see that here, three girls are enjoying a sea holiday. So this is the same picture what the poet is watching, and she is recalling, she is just gaining the memories related with her mother. She has been deceased, means her mother has been deceased 12 years ago, and she cannot explain her grief on her mother's loss. The poet is feeling the separation of her mother because she has been deceased. Her mother has been deceased, passed away 12 years ago. But there is a picture, there is a photograph, and watching those pictures, the photographs, the poet is recalling the days that she had lived with her mother. So this is a very emotional poem. In this poem, you will see that how a person is recalling the days that she or he had spent with the parents who are no more. Students, this poem is going to be very emotional. So, it's a very important that you must connect yourself with the lines of the poem. What is literature? Literature is all about the emotion, the feelings, and the sympathy among the heart, which can connect the people in the world. Literature doesn't mean that reading the grammars, the lines, and doing the question and answers. No, no, no. This is not the literature. Literature means that you must be able to connect yourself with the other people on the ground of emotion. Students, it's very important that when you are going to read some poetry, some story, novels, drama, you must live that story, poetry, novel, or anything. आपको उसको जीने के लिए सीखना पड़ेगा. You must connect yourself with those things. It's a very important. जब आप ऐसा करना सीख जाओगे, then you don't need to remember the question and answers and the facts given in the story and the poetry. You will be able to answer any kind of question based on the read topic. So students, this video was the introductory video of this beautiful poem, A Photograph. In my next video, you will receive the detailed explanation of the lines of the poem, A Photograph. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा and you want to connect with me, and if you want to receive all the videos, updated videos, then please like my channel, subscribe my channel, and if you are comfortable, then share this channel with your friends. Till then, have a nice day, enjoy learning, goodbye.